Okay, Lego Fanatics, I got it together, but it was a balancing act. I kind of had to flip this around in a little bit, and you'll see there's a little bit of a design flaw here as we look at it, because it's not going on there straight in any way, shape, or form. But this is supposed to sit on the end of this wing and create this wing, and I'm hoping that it will actually connect together on this, because that's what's going to hold this together. But because of these blocks being off tilter, if you will, and not straight, I'm not sure. I really don't want to mess with it now because I've got it on there, but as you can see, it's not straight. So we'll see. Next few days, we'll see. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.